guys, welcome back to Cat Every Day. This is Inspiration Sunday, where I just get to spend a little quiet moment with you. And I wanted to share with you some photographs that I have put together. I put them in this little bound book, and I use chat books to do that. And so this book I titled it "Be Still and Know." That comes from Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. Because sometimes I feel like I just need to stop in the day where I am and what I'm doing and look around me and see the beauty and the color and light and form and the love and just, wherever I am, the good things of where I'm at. And this book is nothing but, photographs where I just paused for a moment and just noticed the little things. So I wanted to share some of those moments with you. And I just love this book because just that verse, be still and know that I am God. It just reminds me that even though I'm changing, I'm getting older, and one of these days I'm no longer going to be here, God is unchanging, and He is, who He was yesterday, and who He will be tomorrow. And I just find peace in knowing that. So some of these pictures are pictures of obvious beauty where, maybe a beautiful flower just really shows all of its grandeur. And that's nice. I love to notice the flowers, but sometimes it's just a moment, maybe a child looking out the window and wonder, the light poking up over the mountain, the first light of the day. I love that. A mother geese with her goslings in the spring when that first happens. I love that. Some pears dancing on the window. Maybe a couple of lonely pumpkins that are just waiting for their next destination for the kids to decorate. I love the soft light when I enter the room, just looking through the window, just being reminded that love is the most important thing, no matter what. Maybe taking a quiet walk in the evening and noticing the sky changing right before my eyes. It's so marvelous, just like the changing of the seasons and the changing colors of the leaves as they hit the ground. The gentle dance of a candle flame, or maybe the formations of the ice on a snowy or icy evening. Beautiful flowers, love all around, and family, and just moments where you're just together. Life is a collection of beauty in many forms.